Proud to be an Igbo person because of all the different things that you can do that you can't do in America, and also the different activities and the different culture that we have here in Nigeria. Also the different dances, different food, and different varieties of stuff that we can do. One of the experiences that I've had in Nigeria, when we went to this celebration of this man who did a lot for Igbo culture, and it was just really fun to see the different dances, different costumes and masks people had on, and just seeing people just have fun.
I'm proud to be an Igbo person because the Igbo culture has many different special things, from food to the culture, to the type of clothes we wear, to the dances we have. And my favorite memory coming to interview is running around compound, throwing rocks, just having fun and with my cousins.
I'm proud to be an Igbo girl because each time I come back, there's always something new. I like that it makes me feel that I have a safe place, not even only in America, but also in Nigeria. And one thing I remember about Nigeria all the time is the lizards and how they're always here. But coming back this winter season, there's no lizards, so I just find that funny.